As a young girl, it is very disturbing to see public urination on the road when I go to school, and I want to do something about it.
When I go out with my mom alone and when dad is not there with me, my mom could feel shy to ask a stranger for a toilet. We feel even worse when someone tells it's meant for customers. I want to do something about it.
Public toilets are unclean and unhygienic and generally lacks basic facilities. I do not find toilets as clean as what I have at my home, and I want to do something about it.
Whenever I go to festivals in church, temples or a mosque or a large gathering, there is always a lack of clean toilets. A similar problem is faced when women and children travel long distance by road. So I really want to do something about it.
Swachh Bharat, Shreshth Bharat, and I want to be a part of it. Do you think a government or any organization can build toilets in each and every corner of the street? Think about it. There are already toilets which are built in shops, restaurants and commercial complexes. If we can aggregate all these toilets to a single platform, then we will be able to have surplus, clean and hygienic toilets. Now, we ensure all these toilets follow our prescribed standards of hygiene and cleanliness. This can be the next Airbnb for toilets.
Clean toilets are always a necessity. Imagine a clean toilet available to you. A good toilet needs to have clean air, a good source of water, hand wash and tissues, and regularly cleaned after every use. It should be women friendly and disabled friendly.
If it is just a dream to have a clean toilet outside your home, then we will make your dream come true.
A lender of a toilet will be able to attach the toilet to our app and list all the facilities in addition to our prescribed basic facilities. A user will be able to search all the nearest attached toilets and book it. The app will notify the security in charge on the bookings, and user will be able to see the distance and directions to the premises.
For those places where physical toilets are not available, we are planning to introduce e-toilets. As a user, you will be able to report public urination and public events where a large number of people gather. This is going to be a crowdsourced information. This crowdsourced information will be available to the e-toilet driver.
What makes us better than our competitors is that none of them focus on cleanliness and basic sanitation. And as a result, they are losing market appeal. We are planning to install one of the e-toilets in the busiest place in Bangalore city. Users can download the app from the Play Store and they can start using digitalized facilities. Our strong marketing and branding strategies will help us reach out our audiences. To generate the revenue, initially we will be charging a nominal fee of 10% as a commission from the lender. Considering the scenario with 100 people using a toilet and with the price of 30 Indian rupees, we are expecting a revenue of 1 lakh Indian rupees, which is $1,500 in a month. This will really be profitable to the lenders of the toilet and will be a great employment opportunity. This will definitely attract more people to bring their toilets to our platform.
With our app, we expect to provide a clean and safe toilet to the society. This is Team Raigar and I'm Shamreen.
I'm Indu.
I'm Ruby. I'm Dipti. I'm Rumia.
Download our app
Deloitte.
When you need it.
You need it.
You need it. You need it.
You need it.
You need it.
When you need it, you need it.
Yeah, you need it.
You really need it.